So what you're looking at now is the Yoast dashboard. So you have the menu list over here. Now let's check out the XML sitemaps here. If you click on it, you will see that you can get your XML sitemap over here. Just click on it, and this is your sitemap. So it's consisted of a few grouped into different XML files. Let's say I click on this post-sitemap.xml file, and it lists down all the articles, the posts that I have for this website. So what you do with this file or this link is to submit it to the Google Search Console in order for Google to read, or rather to index or crawl your website content. Let's check out other things that it has. Now let's look at the meta text that it generated for us. Go to your website, and let's just look at this article. Right click, select View Page Source, and you will be able to see that the plugin actually generated this list of meta text over here. So if I want to share it on social media like Facebook or Twitter, it's all the meta text has been set accordingly. And these meta texts are really important for the search engines to read and crawl your website. One of the best features of this Yoast SEO plugin is that whenever you're writing an article like this, over here you have two indicators. One is to indicate the readability of your article, and the other one is to indicate your SEO score. So if you scroll down further, there's another section here where you could target this article on a specific focus keyword here. So I entered the keyword win, which means that I want my article to appear whenever someone searches for the text or for the keyword win on Google. So it actually tried to find if my article on top here is relevant to this keyword win. So at the bottom here, it shows its analysis. So it gives a lot of comments. The bad comments here, which are shown in red. The so-so comments, which are shown in orange. And the good comments here. So what you need to do is just try to fix the problem that's listed here on the problem on the bad comments here, so that you could get a green color shown over here. The next thing, or the next tab, is the readability tab. It checks how readable is your article. So it has analysis of the problems that you might have in your article and how you could further improve it, and also the good comments. So this is the beauty of this Yoast SEO plugin.